Why breakfast matters.
Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast can boost your energy and focus. Eating in the morning helps kickstart your metabolism, supports blood sugar balance, and sets a positive tone for food choices throughout the day. Choosing wholesome, quick options ensures you get essential nutrients without slowing down your mornings. Let's explore some simple ways to fuel your day right.
Energizing overnight oats.
Overnight oats are a quick, customizable breakfast you can prepare in advance. Mix rolled oats with milk or a plant-based alternative. Add your favorite fruits, nuts, and a dash of cinnamon. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy in the morning. This fiber-rich meal keeps you full longer and can be tailored to different taste preferences and dietary needs.
Easy Greek yogurt parfaits.
Greek yogurt parfaits are both nutritious and convenient. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. This combination provides protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. It only takes minutes to assemble and can be portioned in jars for grab-and-go mornings, helping support digestion and steady energy levels.
Savory breakfast options.
The quick savory breakfast can be just as healthy and satisfying. Try whole grain toast topped with avocado and a poached egg, or a whole wheat tortilla with hummus and spinach. These options provide a balance of healthy fats, protein, and fiber to keep you energized and satisfied until lunch.
Smart breakfast habits.
Consistency is key for a healthy morning routine. Plan ahead by prepping ingredients or entire meals in advance. Remember to include a mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats for sustained energy. Stay hydrated with water or herbal tea. These small habits can make healthy breakfasts part of your daily routine, supporting your overall wellness goals.